is the Kotak Fortune Maximiser plan the wealth building solution you have been searching for, or just another overhyped promise? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a participating non-linked life insurance individual savings product. Some of the features of the policy are: you get to choose from 3 plan options to match your financial goals. There are flexible bonus payout options to suit your financial needs, like immediate cash bonus, deferred cash bonus, and paid up additions. And they also give you life cover up to the age of 85, and there is a joint life option. You also get enhanced protection with 6 rider options to strengthen your coverage for yourself and your family. And there are special benefits for women, like female lives can avail higher sum assured for the same premium. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and the plan options are Life Goal Maximiser, Bright Future Maximiser, and Golden Years Maximiser. So under plan option Life Goal Maximiser, this policy holder can have the flexibility to choose any of the 3 bonus payout options I have already mentioned, like cash bonus, which is immediate payout or deferred payout, or paid up additions. And under the plan option of Bright Future Maximiser, as a policy holder, you have the option to choose your tenure during which the cash bonus will be utilized to purchase paid up additions, and also accrue your cash bonus, which can be deferred or payout. And post completion of your tenure, you will receive the cash value of your accrued paid up additions as a survival benefit along with the cash bonus for the respective year. Under the next plan option, which is the Golden Years Maximiser, your cash bonus will be utilized to purchase paid up additions till the policyholder turns 60 years, post which the cash value of accrued paid up additions will be payable in a lump sum as survival benefit along with cash bonus for the respective year. So these are some of the plan options. Now let's get into the benefits. So that there are benefits like death benefit, survival benefit, and maturity benefit, all which differs upon based on the plan option you have opted for and some specificality like that. So if you want to know more about it in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. Let's start with the advantages. So first, the advantages are you get customizable plan options, and you have access to paid up additions anytime because you have the flexibility to encash your paid up addition by withdrawing their cash value whenever needed. And female policy holders enjoy higher coverage for the same premium, and you can also boost your coverage with rider options. So these are some advantages. Disadvantages are this plan offers only limited growth on your investment, so there is low return potential, and the maturity benefits are payable only at the age of 85 years, and the life cover may not be adequate to meet major financial goals, and all the bonuses and payouts are subject to future performance or not assured. So these are some drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let's move on to the analysis part of the video. So in this policy, once the limited premium payment period is completed, you start receiving benefits in the form of either a cash bonus or a maturity bonus depending on the selected plan option. So to assess the plan's effectiveness, it's important to estimate the potential returns using the projections provided in the policy brochure. So we are going to calculate the internal rate of return (IRR) to help us analyze the pattern of cash flows in this policy and what is the effective return we get on investment for a better understanding. So now let's consider an example for calculation purpose. Let us assume that a 35-year-old male opts for this policy with a basic sum assured of 11.09 lakh. The policy term is 50 years and the premium payment term is 12 years with an annual premium of 1 lakh. The bonus payout has been selected as paid up additions under Life Goal Maximiser option. So here the maturity benefit is dependent on non-guaranteed bonus declaration. We are going to assume non-guaranteed rates of return like 4% and 8% per annum just to indicate worst and best case scenario. These are not guaranteed returns. This is just Just to give you an example, so at 4% bonus rate, the maturity value at the end of the term is 33.15 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of just 2.30% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At an 8% bonus rate, which is considered to be the best case scenario, the maturity value is projected at 1.57 crores, delivering an IRR of 5.90% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Even with a 50-year investment horizon, the projected returns fall short of what is typically offered by conventional debt instruments. Furthermore, after completing the limited premium payment term, the funds remain locked in for several decades, limiting liquidity and flexibility. So these IRR calculations indicate that the policy may not be a suitable option for investors seeking meaningful long-term wealth creation. So it lacks the potential to grow your savings into a sizable corpus when compared to other available investment avenues. As we have previously discussed, the potential returns from this policy fails to outpace inflation. So let us now explore an alternative approach with a similar annual cash outflow as used in the earlier example. So in that example, the basic sum assured was 11.09 lakhs, the death benefit of 12.60 lakhs, indicating the need for a term insurance policy with a sum assured of approximately 13 lakhs. In this strategy, we are going to separately invest in insurance and investment to best assess the investment and insurance components. So here for insurance purpose, we have opted for a pure term insurance policy with a 13 lakh sum assured, which cost around 16,100 rupees annually, with a policy term of 35 years and a premium payment term of 10 years. So in this alternative strategy, out of the 1 lakh annual outflow for the first 10 years, 16,100 rupees goes towards the insurance premium, and then only the remaining amount is invested. So for the following 2 years, the entire 1 lakh is invested after that. So the investment continues to grow without additional contributions. So selecting the right investment instrument based on your risk appetite is key for the strategy to work. So in this scenario, the surplus we have is going to be invested in an equity linked savings scheme like ELSS mutual fund. So while ELSS mutual funds are subject to capital gains tax on redemption, the returns are still compelling. Let's see. So the pre-tax and post-tax value respectively are 17.39 crores and 15.23 crores. So the IRR for this scenario is 11.33%. So this is definitely an inflation beating return, and if you compare this maturity value to Kotak policy, you can see that this is triple the amount that we got from the Kotak policy. And if you have any doubts regarding how the ELSS tax is calculated, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your reference, which you can pause and see. So this comparison clearly demonstrates the benefits of separating insurance and investment. Not only does it deliver significantly higher returns, but it also offers better liquidity and flexibility, something the Kotak plan lacks due to its long lock-in period and limited return potential. Now, what is the final verdict on this policy? Is the Kotak Fortune Maximiser plan worth investing or not? This policy offers multiple options with varying cash flow structures, allowing you to choose one that aligns with your financial preference. However, all benefits under the plan are linked to future bonus declarations, making them non-guaranteed. Additionally, the sum assured provided may fall short of offering sufficient financial security for your family's basic needs. One of the most significant drawbacks of this plan is its extended maturity age of 85 years. And given the long-term commitment, the returns are relatively low, and it also has a high agent commission. Even when combined with potential bonuses, the maturity value is unlikely to keep pace with inflation, making it inadequate for meeting long-term financial goals. As a result, investing in this policy may impede your journey towards financial independence. So a more effective approach would be to separate insurance and investment. Opting for a pure term insurance plan ensures comprehensive coverage at a much lower premium, and the savings from the lower premium can be strategically invested in suitable investments to help grow your wealth and achieve your financial objectives in the long run.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.